nó to ta là bùa mà Christmas tree mà trong câu tiết tiết.
Well, this thing's heavy, honey.
Really heavy?
Oh yeah, that's heavy. Not real bad. I think Mom would like that.
Yeah. Yeah, she really liking that.
Should I buy her it?
I thought you said you gotta buy the tree.
I'll buy her the tree too. Should I buy it for her?
Sure. $70. Nè tiền vô tôi nói được bên po.
Oh, honey.
What? Giờ tôi nói xa chậu đóa con khoa Christmas.
I gotta be careful this doesn't fall out.
You pull the car slowly.
Oh, there it is.
So cute, get it? Tôi nói mẹ mẹ đó.
This thing's kind of cool. How much is this thing, honey?
That ain't 25.
Hey, where's it plugged in?
What?
It's plugged
Right
in.
there.
Here, if I can find it. Here, unplug it.
Right here. Are you gonna buy these things too?
Mm-hmm. Then maybe I won't buy Mom that other thing.
I can't cause you do it, you have two hands.
Where is it?
The green one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one.
Right here?
Yeah. You two hand.
Right here?
Right, honey?
Right here?
Right? Yeah. Đẹp. Giờ lúc nọ ha. Lúc tính. Tự chi chim chưa phải phát. Thế từ Santa Claus.
Hey, where should I put this thing?
Just put whatever you
Right there, it's
feel
good?
like it. Yeah. Your for Christmas.
Think Mom will enjoy the Santa?
Okay, let's go. Nói với chọn tông. Chi mà để bị vào trong góc cơ li. Baby, you go first. Keep going.